Hey guys, and today I'm going to be looking for something to store every single little bitty one of my fidgets. I got a new shirt today. It's good, and I'm wearing it right now. This is not merch, okay? It's from my school, so I keep selling. But let's go look for me for something for all my fidgets to be stored in. Think here's my wacky track. I've been looking for this wacky track. Okay, while we're at it, let's look for this. There is nothing in my house to put any of my fidgets in. My mom doesn't know yet. Think them downstairs. But let's just look in here for now. Right now, can you guys see that? You guys can see. It says Olivia Fidgets. Here's my fidgets. Look, I'm putting them out. I'm trying to figure out some place, something like that. Oh man, I'm gonna play with it. Because I'm gonna play with my puppet. Okay, my dad is saying that we literally gotta look for something for all my fidgets in. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my mom. Okay. I'll leave you guys right here for now. I'll be right back. I have good news. My parents said I can use my hamper as it. So I'm gonna get all my clothes out. Okay. Get my clothes out. Shoot. My mom put her sock and her shirt in here. These are clothes I wear often. Or at least not at school. Okay. Now let's put all my fidgets in this big old basket. Okay. First one in. Stupid bead. Okay. Puppet. Wacky track. Both of my simple dimples. I'm doing ASMR with simple dimples. Spiky balls. Dirty and broken. Mochis. Blocky wacky track. 3 monkey noodles. Squishy. pop tubes, marble mesh, this lipstick, but that snaps, so I call it a snap lipper. So it's a snapper lip. I guess I'll call it a snapper lip. Homemade poppet. Actually, I got one, so I don't need it. I made another one, so I don't need that one. Small black pink poppet. Vikings. DNA wall. Button clicker. Fidget cube. Water timer. Fingerings. And last of all, my fidget bag that I bring to school, because sometimes my mom wants me to bring fidgets to school. So, but yeah, those are all my fidgets. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. So let's actually do it again. So first we're gonna put the name, or get some tape for this. So I'm gonna put you guys ready, and I'll be right back. I am back, and I got the tape. But yeah, we're done with that. So yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye.